Kertas nem jong ubriu la ni ka briu. Kam dei ka bah khmat ha gajing ya lenti jong unu briu. Ka ba kong san ka dei gajing shampang bar gajing pendan kam hok ya ka sap ka ba ublei hiu ai. Bar ha badan kum kini briu. Ka long ka badan kam ban pen I sha ka perthei khnang ban long ka nuksa yi wei pat. Dang ha ubnai baladep ha ka artrik unai lur arhajar arphulai. I wei hebrit I blatip kerteng kum I Mansa Najiar. Ila yo ban pediang ya ka yang awat ha Gurugram Haryana ling ba gajing Thoh jong I ya ka wei ka kot ka blatip kerteng A Hero's Destiny Everland. Kabri ka kot chapang gawai ka kina kabadon ha ka jingdo min siem. Namar ka jingdon jang ka rio bamman bat kumno ka la banile persya ya kani. Habede ba ka jingyo apdyang jang I ya kani ka Khusnam na kaliang ka United Democratic Party ka UDP Youth Wing. Ha ka atre ka risaw arhaja arphulai kalapin ko burami I Hapoh ka office try kam jang ka ha ringkat ka jingadan lang uba Tita Starwell Khan ubade working president uba PT Saukme uba Eugene Sun Lingdo kinongket kam ke UDP Central Body haringkat ke jingadan lang ki bahayeng bahasam nakaliang uba Tita Starwell Khan pat kumjo na ka party kila aimin CME ni hebret be nang shlur shu ban Thoh bat ban wanra shu ya ka nam ha ka jalla
hadir pemilih I lembaga lat patai kubur ya ka jing achievement ke jongi akaba layo ya ke ka award na ka ribu akaba ilalong I nong Thoh iba kena ada karta apa khat Khusnam. Jika ni kalau ketik ya gaji mot berkhat jongki sama ki jumi ba la kuno nilai ban encourage mo ban ai musim susu ya ini help ibarat jumi ibarat ra ya nam kurang om tan ni setiap ya kam ni jadi dari kowe ni don hangi ya kaman ai musim ini bagi penpau ya kecing so sarong tajungi ba ikun persai joki iba ka karta ka ba dang khat Khusnam lala ban Thoh ini ka kot ngi baro ni bawa ila long kinong mo ki samla puli ila pass ki degree master ngai teng ni smart taman puli ni ban Thoh I kam cai tu ten rei ki bidang bau ana ka yeng kesen ka joki mi kun joki ba karta khat Khusnam banane ba ka ri ka jongi kan ang sei ya ki nong Thoh kot ki ba mle ban pau ta ka jela mle ba kin pau ka perthei ba ko
Habayo abane kren badi hebret Mansa ila ong baya kani ka kot ila Pyndep Tang Hapoh Sngi AA madailing bagajing ai min sim jing bahiyeng hasem ki parlok parajor kala penlong I ban inlong kumba ilong minta bad ai min sim ru ikiwe bagin be shakatong ya lagi jingtmu wat lagi sngo bagidan ki jing
I recently wrote a book called A Hero's Destiny Everland, which has won me 3 different medallions and has brought me to the Gurugram Haryana apparel house for the distribution of the awards present to the top 200 authors in the country. It took me about 3 to 4 days to write this book. My book has an element of fantasy and fairy tales in it. It's about a girl who displays her courage and knowledge and defeats an evil being who tries to destroy that world. My main aim in life was to become someone who could change the world. I never knew I would be an author like this. So now that I have found out I have great potential in writing, I'm going to continue to write different essays, poems or prose for the new generation to read and think about what the world may be and try to change the world into a better future. When it comes to writing, my inspiration is the author of the most popular Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, and then my other inspiration is also my family. They made me inspired and they had always told me to never give up and failure is the pillar to success. My friends, they were very proud of me that she is my friend, so she's an author, and they have also supported me in writing. They even imagined that what if there would be a movie going on about your book. So yeah, those were sports and little elements of sports they gave me. My inspirational words would be, let your imagination run wild, because once you let it flow, the words will come right out of your mouth. Painters, they'll express through their feelings, it'll just come right off. Writers will write their feelings and all. Even doctors also, they will express their hope in humanity in treating people, and teachers who educate children. And so my message will be, follow your dreams. Even though God might have different plans for you, you should follow along. I'm planning and I'm already writing a book called the second book of the series, A Hero's Destiny. And it's about to be somewhat different from this.